good evening, friends. I am back from office and I'm here with a cup of tea and some ground nuts, as I think you all can see. So, today I will be having ground nuts and a cup of tea. Just a minute. Wow. Actually, I just placed another book here so that I can talk properly with y'all. This is my ground nut. Now you all must be wondering why I'm showing you all ground nuts. Oh, it's hot. Now the main reason is actually this. Actually, I had ordered for a few products from NYKAA and those have arrived, and actually I was about to unbox it. I remembered, why not share it with you guys? So let's do the unboxing together. Just a minute. I just have 2 or 3 products in here, and I think about 2 products will be coming later on. I don't know when, maybe in a day or 2. So let us do the unboxing. Here it goes. This is the scissor I use for my crocheting and knitting as well. See, all purpose. This is the correct side. Let me sip. So difficult. There. Finally, it has opened. Now, let us see what is in store. This is the bill. Oh, I have 3 items here. 1, that's 2, and this is the 3rd one. Let us start with the smallest one. Wow, this is it. Salted caramel. This is my salted caramel. See how beautiful the color is. I have like this color, but I think it's 1 or 2 shades deeper or lighter than this. So this is my first purchase. Now let us move on to the second one. This was the smallest. This is a little bigger than that. Let's see what is here. Oh yes, it's a cream that I had ordered for myself. This is the Biotic Saffron Youth Anti-Aging Cream. Reduces fine lines, lightens dark spots and whatnot. So I had ordered this one. I've used one earlier. It's oakish type of, not that very hi-fi. So this is the second one. Let me keep it here. This is the third one, and I am excited about this one actually. Oh my god, I got a gift too. What is this? Engage. This is actually a perfume, and this is the first time I'm ordering perfume from NYKAA. Before this, I have never ever ordered perfume. So let's see. This is the bottle. Engage. Actually, it was on discount. That is the reason I had placed the orders for the perfume. And this is another one. This is the gift. Oh my, this is a teeny tiny one. Anyway, this is the gift that I got. Where did I keep? Oh, here. This is the gift I got. And this is the actual one. It's Engaged. Now let's try the perfume. Wow, it's nice, it's lovely, it's mild. I'm liking it. Thank God it's not very loud. Nice. And this one must be another one. Anyway, this fell off also. I'm going to try it later on because I already have this beautiful fragrance. Wow. So this was one, this is the second, and this is the third one that I got today. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Bye.